In this video, I'm going to show you how my detailing business gets over 2,000 clicks per month to our website completely for free. This is the power of Google Business Listings. You can see here, some of our listings have hundreds and hundreds of interactions and clicks per month. And I'm going to show you exactly how we do this in this video right here. Most of this is in my computer, so let's hop in right now. Hey, sorry for interrupting the video. Just wanted to quickly tell you all about this free 3-day $1,000 challenge we're doing. It's for beginner detailers who are trying to grow their business, get it off the ground and really start taking it seriously, marketing your business and growing it. I'm going to sit down with y'all on Zoom live for 3 days and make $1,000 in your business. And every business that signs up is going to make $1,000 at least in the 3 days. And then at the end, you're going to get some tips on growing further. Ask me any questions you want. And yeah, it's going to be really exciting, really good event. I think it can help out any beginner detailer, or even if you've been doing it for a while, but it just hasn't taken off like you think it can. I can help y'all out. If you want to sign up, you can register in the description below, and I'll see you there. All right, so in this video, I'm breaking down how I get thousands of clicks per month for free from Google. First step is to go to business.google.com, set up a Google business listing. I'll walk you through how to do that right now. So you're gonna go to Business Profile Manager. There'll be something like a button that says Add Your Business. You're gonna click Add Single Business. Here's where you're gonna put your business name. I recommend having the keyword in the business name. So car detailing is gonna be your keyword and your city name. So for me, it would be Bright Car Detailing. And you can see we already have a lot of these, but you just pick a city around you that has a lot of potential clients in it. Go ahead and make that your business name. Here, you're gonna go, I believe it's auto detailing. If not, it might be car detailing service. Click next. Do you want to add a location? Yes. Here, you're going to put in your business address. And they probably won't ever use this, but this is just in case they have to send you some kind of postcard in the mail to verify. If any other listings come up, just click none of these. Click next. So here, it's just going to ask you to drag the pin to exactly where you are, so you can adjust that where you need to. This is just an example one. I'm not actually making one. Do you provide deliveries and office visits? Yes, because we're mobile, so we go out to them. Add the cities. You're going to only want to add a max of 3 cities. So mine's Birmingham. And then I'll just put 2 other ones that are near me. Click next. Add your business phone number. I'm going to skip that. And your website, if you have one, put that there as well. And then you're going to click a way to get verified. So for me, it's a business video because I already have some listings. So they want to make sure that it's a real business. For you, there should be some more options. Hopefully, there's normally a text verification, call verification, business video, or postcard. If you can do the text or the call, that's the easiest one. Sometimes they just instant verify you. If it's your first one, they'll just instant verify your account. For me, they're going to require business video. I'm not going to do that right now because this isn't a real listing. I'm not really making one. But for you, I would stick to the text, video, or postcard. If they'll mail you a postcard, you can verify that way. Once you're verified, you'll have a listing like this right here. And you can see the real power of this is having multiple, but I'll show you that at the end. So you can see we have 81 reviews. I've already showed you the performance, but 518 website clicks just from this listing alone. Then you're going to go through and optimize it. So you're going to want to use all the features Google gives you. So put in your business hours, put your address, put your business phone number, put your appointment, your booking link, add in some products. You can see I have all our products listed here with prices and descriptions for each one. That just helps with keywords and ranking. You can see there's some questions we have answered, what's included, stuff like that. You could throw in some of those. There's our reviews. Your bio, I would go to ChatGPT and ask them to make a keyword optimized bio for a Google business listing, and they'll pump out a 1-paragraph bio with keywords in it. You can also look at mine here and kind of model yours after mine. And then there's posting. So this is some stuff that most businesses don't do. They don't optimize all the features, which is why they don't rank very high. But if you go here and go add update. Add update. Then you're going to add a little description, add a photo. You can add a button if you want to book a detail and post. You're going to want to post on this weekly. I would say up to two to three times a week. And that just shows Google that this is an active listing. The other thing is add some pictures. You can see we have a bunch of photos here of just cars that we've detailed in the past. That also helps with ranking higher. And then the last thing you're going to want to do that's kind of recurring is reviews. So that's the most important part, is reviews. And there's a couple of different ways to get reviews. First off, I would text your family and friends. Just say, hey, send them the review link, which you get the review link. I'll show you here. If you go to, honestly, if you just click reviews here, up at the top, get more reviews, and then you can send them this link right here. I would text that out to your parents, your family, your friends, anybody you know that would give you a review just to help you out. Any group chats you're in, I would throw it in there. Most of your friends and family want to support your new business, so they're going to help you out. After you do that, that should give you a little base reviews. Any past customers that you've done in the past, I would text them, hey, would you mind leaving us a review? It would really help us out. The real threshold for reviews when you start seeing a big boost is about 50. And then the next one after that is 100. So after 50, you're going to start seeing a lot of traction with your listing. You're going to be getting a lot more calls, a lot more clicks. And then once you hit 100, it skyrockets again. And then that's when it shows Google you're really a powerhouse in your area, in your industry. So once you have 100, it really takes off on its own. The last thing I'm going to show you is the real power of this. So you saw we have 600 or 500 website clicks from this one listing, correct? Right? So the real power in this is having a network. We call it a network of listings. And that's what you saw at the beginning. So these three are new. This is that one I just made as an example. I'm going to remove this one. So these three are new, so they're not optimized. That's why they're not verified yet. But then the rest of these, we have 7 in total, and they're placed all around our city in strategic areas to where our customers, anywhere they Google car detailing, we pop up as an option near them. And they all take you to our website and then our booking link. And each one of these listings has its own landing page. So if I went to my website, you could see this is our main homepage, but then down here, you can see we have a Mountain Brook location. You can see we have a Liberty Park location, and each one of those listings has its own landing page. And then they all take you to our booking link here, which is called Urable. And that's where they book online instantly. But that's the real network that's where the power of this strategy comes in, because you have one listing getting 500, another getting 500, another getting 500. And as you optimize more and more listings, the traction you get just exponentially multiplies. And that's how you really get a calendar full of details with this strategy. And the best part about it is it's free. So yeah, that's really how the power of how we get over 2,000. You can see we get well over 2,000 website clicks per month completely for free with this Google Business Listing strategy. If you need any help, you can go to the video description. We have, a bunch of training resources, ways to contact us down there. You can leave a comment with your question and I'll answer that. But if you like the video, please subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.